Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Day Day, the mom, the boss. How are you guys doing? I hope you're doing amazing, because I am doing great. As you guys can see, this is what the living room looks like with a lot of the decor not being there. I'll be taking you guys today on a living room makeover. It's going to be that extreme modern glam. Like, you can be modern, you can be extremely glam as well with this decor that I'm going to be showing you guys today. I will clean and decorate this space so that it's going to look like what I have in mind. I have this vision for this space and I wanted to bring it to life. So you guys stick around and tell me what you think. Over there, I still have the two vases that you guys know, my very glamorous vases. I'll be taking them out in a little bit. So I will show you guys how I clean and decorate this space, okay?
Even if you try, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you.
So I'm using my spray way cleaner, which has been a game changer, guys. This cleaner is very streak free as compared to other glass cleaners that I've used. This is really nice. I like it very much, and I'm using this cloth I got from Walmart. The mirrors by the TV, both mirrors on the sides of the TV, were gotten from at home stores. They're about a year and a half old. I love them. They serve the purpose for which they were gotten for. And yeah, I'll just be telling you guys some of the things in my home as I go. My couch set, or my living room set, I've gotten so many questions, guys. I got this from a store called Regency Furniture in Maryland 6 years ago when we just got married, and it's going strong. I love these chairs. Like, the kids have been jumping. Like, this is a high traffic area, but guys, there's no issue with the chairs right now, so I love it. The coffee table was gotten from Ross, and I recently just saw them again in Ross. I got them, this coffee table, maybe over 7 or 8 months ago, or maybe more. I don't even remember. Maybe like a year. I don't remember, but it's a very nice and lightweight coffee table. It's nothing crazy. So yeah, the side table was gotten from Ross as well. The rug, this rug, which is not what I'm going to be using in general in this video, was gotten from Ross. Oh my god, I have a lot of Ross items. So let's keep going. We're getting ready to do the decoration part, and before that, we're going to take out this rug and replace it with that beautiful rug that I love for this space.
Here it goes, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes. Oh, here it goes, here it goes, here it goes. With his humble lack and everlasting ego. Someone hurt your
I would like to use this opportunity today to welcome each and every one of you to my channel. If you're new here, hello and welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you so much for supporting your girl. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and of course the notification bell after subscribing, so you would always be the first to know every single time I upload videos like this. And if you've not liked the video yet, what are you waiting for? Like this video, share, leave me a beautiful comment down there. I would love to see. And if you're an oldie but a goodie, you know I heart you, right? You know I love you so much. Thank you for your constant support to my channel. Thank you for always coming back for more goodies. Thank you for always coming back for more videos like this. I really do appreciate your constant support. It is not taken for granted. Without you, I'm not here today. So thank you so very much. I really do appreciate you all. And if you've watched up to this point and you've not left a comment yet, I would love for you to drop black and white down below. I would love to see it. Thank you so much. Keep watching and enjoying. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to drop it down below in the comment section. I would love to answer all your questions. Thank you so much for your constant support. I love you. Keep watching.
So caught up in the middle,
Thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie.
So now I decided to clean this area of the house. I didn't clean it earlier when I started. This is like our speakers, is where all our sound system is. We don't have like inbuilt. We have, it's partial inbuilt and partial, you know, these bogus speakers. So this is the only way I can decorate this space because we've not changed anything here yet. So I always have to decorate like that because we have those speakers right there. Now these glamorous vases were gotten from a store here called Bell Furniture, and the greenery, of course, you guys, everywhere, all home decor stores. So this side of the house, I'm starting with our theme, which is complete like black, white, gold, silver, you know, just mixing up. The main color is black, but I'm trying to accessorize it with other things. And yeah, guys, so far I was liking what I was seeing. I was liking how it was turning out, you know. I was just enjoying everything. This lamp I got from Ross. I love it so much. I think it's still at Ross. If you go to Ross, you're gonna see. By my fireplace, you guys, I don't like decorating a lot. So yeah, it's just gonna stay like that. Before I would like to decorate it, but now not anymore. I got these pillows from Ross as well, and they are really pretty. They are still at Ross. If you're interested in them, please go get them. I got this fur. It's actually a runner. I don't think it's a throw blanket. This is a runner, and I usually use it as a throw blanket because it just brings some to this face. This black and white throw blanket from Ross. Oh my god, a lot of Ross things in my home. Oh lord. Finally, my favorite part. So I showed you guys in my last haul these vases. I'm so excited. Can you guys see how beautiful these vases are? Like, oh my god, these vases are a statement. Like, when you walk into a room and see these vases, you need to find out where you got them from. You know what I mean? I'm going to attach the link to the store or to the video that I talked about these vases. I like in my last video, for some reason I lost footage of these stems. I got them from Michael's. These were the last 3, so people were really liking it because, guys, how did they buy until it was just 3 left? I was ready to pick up like 10. But yeah, it was like on a 50% off sale, and it was $8 for one stem, so I got it for $4. I'm lying, maybe it was $6 for one stem. I don't believe I bought one for $4. I don't remember, but yes, it was something of that sort. Elements of Style coffee table book from Amazon. The candle holders, which I try to stack on top of each other, are from Home Goods.
Feeling down, you look at me like I'm different. Still you
Black and white beads are from Hobby Lobby.
get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you.
This white vase is a gift from my sister-in-law, and the florals are from Marshall's.
The colors, they kind of tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we
This ultimate beautiful black and white animal print vase with a touch of gold is from Elizabeth Cole, like the other vases on the coffee table.
We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. No.
These florals were gotten from Hobby Lobby as well.
Wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way.
If you've watched up to this point and you're enjoying the video, please drop down your favorite piece so far from all the pieces I've shown you guys and from the entire makeover. Just let me know what your favorite piece is. I would love to see it.
Ooh,
Now it's time for us to tour the entire living room to see what all the work we've been doing, what it looks like exactly. So let's tour.
We're pouring cup after cup after cup. Yeah, it's just the way we do it. Anything just to block out the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about the way we are.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me break it.